everybody sings that song. Like, that's just, is that the song of the year? Is that what we're doing? Okay, so, hello, my name's Tatyana. Welcome to my channel. Hello guys, if you have not been here before or seen my channel, welcome my new subscribers. Hello, my name is Taty. What am I doing? Oh yeah, before I say that, I just have a question. Are you subscribed?
Are you?
Well, if you are, thank you so much. And if you're not, I'm looking down on you right now. And I'm very upset. And I'm going to take a couple minutes for you to, you know, click that button down there somewhere. You know where it is. You can see the screen. Baby dadu, boot it. Okay, if you're done that, can you press the post notifications so you can know that like I posted? I don't know if YouTube is still doing that. I hope they are, because like I don't know if you can see if I posted, and that sucks if you can't. However, what we're here for today, oh darling, honey, I need some jewelry on. Hold on, give me a second, As we know, I wear like a bajillion wigs. I love switching like my hair up. I need change in my life, and if I don't receive that change, I'm gonna lose my mind. So since I wear so many wigs and they're frontals, sometimes it depends on like my mood, I want to show you guys how I put on my wigs, how I install them, because it's like for the people out there that want to know how you do this, I gotta teach you. Today I'm gonna show you how to put on this curly unit. It is a Brazilian curly hair with 22, 24, 26 with a 20-inch frontal. This is from Nadula Hair Company, and I think these curls are bomb. Like, I think this is gonna make me look, you know, like a baddie, because duh, that's what I'm gonna look like. So, you know, just envision, you picture it, you see it, ooh, okay. Let's start this. Let's get this rolling, because we need to get this rolling. We need to look bad in instant. 5 seconds. 2.1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baddie. So the steps I'm gonna show you is gonna be real quick, easy. You know, I'm gonna go through them and make sure we all get it. So step 1, you know, take off your scarf. I put on my scarf because I had to lay down the front of my hair, because you want a base. You want to. What the hell is outside? What the hell? Okay, so if you hear loud breathing, there's a dog in here. You know. Okay, good. The dog breathing hard. Okay, anyways, so step 1, take off your scarf. You want your hair to be slicked back. No problems. You don't want any problems when you're doing this, because when you come across a problem while putting on a frontal, when I tell you, honey, you are going to get irritated. Step 2. A lot of people use alcohol to wipe off I have makeup on right now, and they use alcohol to wipe off the excess where the glue is gonna sit. However, I have hydrogen peroxide. I think it works. I've been using it, so I don't see the problem. I don't see it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just wipe off every little piece. It's gonna like be little gross dirt, makeup. You just want the glue to be able to stick onto something good. That's exactly what it's gonna do. Just gonna go all around the ear. You know, make sure we got everything. So now the makeup is off my forehead, you know, so you don't have to worry about any problems. So now you're gonna need, a lot of people have the freeze spray. I have the Got2be Glue, the black version. I don't really know what's better. I haven't really figured that out, but you know, we just gonna keep it pushing. So after we got this part cleaned, everything's off, I switched my wig cap because the other one was being difficult. So, you know, you know how to do it different. It's just a pantyhose. Literally, I took it from my mother's room and was like, snitch! I already have the band on there, and I kind of had to like wrap it because it was a little too, you know, big for my head anyways. Okay, so I wet the front too so I can be able to push back the baby hairs when I put it on. So the first step, you paying attention? You paying attention? So the first step is to put it on your head, obviously. Don't mess up your makeup because you know you took too long to be doing this. Okay. So once this is on your head, it's gonna like sit really weird and everything. But when you do it, it's just all gonna make sense. I promise you. I promise you. So we're gonna just pull this forward. And we're just gonna see how it's gonna sit on our forehead, you know. Make sure it's, you know, sitting pretty. So that's how it's going to be sitting on our head. And then both sides, you know. Yeah. So you see the vision? You see the vision? Okay, good. So I'm going to take my toothbrush and I'm going to just try to brush back all the little baby hairs because we don't need that when we put on this. Because I promise you, if the glue touches the baby hairs while you're applying this wig, your edges are going to look
Crusty.
I hope the mic picked that up. Crusty. And if you let your friend walk out with some crusty edges on their frontal, you are not a friend. Okay, anyways. Not saying, you know, this happened to me or anything, but, you know, just giving, you know, a good example. You just shouldn't let your friend walk out with no crusty edges. It just ain't good. It just ain't something you do. That's not a friendship. So now I'm just going to pull back this wig. Because I know exactly where I want it to be. Everything to sit. This is not the fun part. But I just say the fun part because you know it is. Okay, so I'm going to take this on my hand. And I'm going to distribute this all over. On the parts that I didn't, that I wiped off, because when your makeup mixed with this, girl, when I tell you that's a tragedy. That's a tragedy. Now I'm putting it all around my hairline, but I'm gonna apply this wig in pieces, if that makes sense. Okay, I've smoothed out everything. And now you're going to take your blow dryer and you're going to put it on cool, not hot. Cool, not hot, and high. So I'm going to do 3 layers. This was the first layer, so now I'm about to stack it on to the same exact spot that I did. Now I'm going to do one more last layer, and that's going to be like the layer that makes sure everything is set. I just want to say, if your edges do get ripped out because you took off your frontal wrong, please do not blame it on me because I cannot be responsible of anyone's edges. Not to worry though, I don't think your edges should be like snatched out. So how I tell if it's ready, I just like, I tap on it and see if I'm getting any like tackiness back, and if I'm not, I just go back on it. Just do it one more time. Okay, so I believe it should be tacky, because if it's not, that'd be crazy. Oh, it's ready. Oh, it's ready. Okay, so now I'm about to take, I had a scrunchie. Oh, I'm gonna take this scrunchie. I'm gonna just pull this back because we don't want any problems. Okay, so now I'll take the front of this frontal and we're gonna push it onto the lace. Push it onto the glue that we just put on. And we're gonna set it down. We're gonna do this one by one because, bruh, if you do this all together, you are, I don't judge you for that, but you intense. Now I'm just gonna take the other side. Make sure the edges are back. Push that down. And so since my, like, I don't know what it is, but my, like, trouble sides, like, the ones that be causing me the most is the ear tabs. So, like, I have to pay attention to it a little bit. And sometimes I have to re-glue it, so don't feel weird when you have to, like, re-glue stuff. I'm just gonna take the glue again. Put it on, I think I'm gonna do it on this side. Okay. Since it already has a couple layers on it, you only have to do one layer. Like, it's not crucial for you to not do anything else. Now I'm gonna pull this down. And I don't really think I need the red silk right now. So now that that is set, I'm just gonna put my scarf on. And then I'm gonna let this sit for maybe like an hour, because I have to leave in an hour. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for an hour and then we'll be back. Because the longer you let your frontal sit, the longer it's gonna last all night. Because I remember one time I let my frontal sit for like 2 to 3 hours because I just wasn't doing anything and I just left my scarf on. It was not going anywhere for that night. And I was at a party and it was sweating. Like, I was sweating, honey, and I was like, bruh, if my wig falls off, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I'm just gonna run away. Actually, I think my wig has fallen off in a public place. Be back, bitches. Don't miss me too much. Ooh. Sorry, I came back. I went to go eat, you know, got me a little food, and now I'm back. So I'm gonna take this off. Oh, I can't hear. Oh yeah, this secured. Oh. Ooh. Okay. So this is definitely on my head. This is for sure on my head. I don't know why I'm tired, but I'm tired. I haven't done anything today. This is a tragedy. I'm gonna take my Q-tip, put it in the hydrogen peroxide, and let it get all, you know, suck up in here. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna run it over. I'm gonna run it over the edges part because, like, that's the part that's, like, really stuck to my head. I'm not messing with. And this will also help you, like, get off the excess glue off your head, because that's not cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna just do my edges. I think this is the fun part because, like, I don't know, I just have fun, like, doing my edges in general, so this will always be the fun part for me. Is it? Why? Why? Why is this something we doing, huh? I'm gonna be in a video. Come here. Get out of here. She's kind of thick. Ain't nothing wrong with that. She's just kind of thick, you know, so she's a little heavy. Come here. She's kind of thick. Ain't nothing wrong with that. She's just kind of thick, you know, so she's a little heavy. Come here. Come here, sweetie. And it's so cute. Why are you so dang heavy? Oh my god, you just breathing so. She on my lap now. She ain't moving. She ain't moving. Okay, now she chilling. She good. She good. Okay, so I'm gonna take my not Got2be Glue, but I'm gonna take this Gorilla's Knot and I'm gonna put this on the edges. I didn't want the Got2be Glue because it's too harsh. Like, I think it's just too harsh. It's time to do these edges. It's time to get it popping. I'm just gonna take this spoolie I have and then do these edges. I want to do like a little loopy loop and make it look cool. So now my edges are for sure done. I'm really liking this, you know, looking cute. Usually what I'm gonna do after this video, I'm probably just gonna set it so y'all know what I'm gonna do. But right now, like, this is what it looks like so far. And then since it's the frontal, I can like move it to different sides and stuff. I just take this, spray the front, make sure it looks all, ooh honey, ooh, this look good. Okay, it's going with my outfit too. I thought I had the blow dryer next to me. I was like, oh, I just want to blow everything up. That's what I wanted. Okay, well, what am I trying to say? This is how I put on, you know, my wigs. We went through a whole little system. It really takes that long and it's really annoying. But yeah, this is the Brazilian curly hair from Medulla Hair Company when it's a 26, 24, 22 with a 20-inch frontal. Oh, and yeah. But I hope you guys like this. I hope this was gonna help you with all your future wigs in the beginning. Alright, well, I'll see you hoes later, okay? Okay. I'm kidding. I love you guys, and make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you click the post notifications. Everything. It helps me so much to know that you guys are part of this family, and I want you to be a part of this family, like, duh. And while I'm always here, I'll be telling my jokes every video because I'm a mess. I'm a mess every video. Oh, I'm a mess every video. Oh, I'm a mess every... Is that a good song? I don't know. But I'm gonna go now because it's getting hot in here and I don't need my wig slipping off. So, I love you guys and I'll see you later. Bye!